Hey guys, welcome. In this lecture, we will study how to find the squares of the numbers from 1 to 100. So whatever be the number, you should be able to tell the square within 2 to 3 seconds. So this is our main objective. But the prerequisite for this lecture is you should know the squares of the numbers between 1 to 30. This is the prerequisite. So squares between 1 to 30 is must. So after this, basically the numbers that are remaining are 30 to 100, right? So this 30 to 100, I will divide into 3 categories. One is 30 to 50, other one is 50 to 80, and the last one is 80 to 100. So if you are perfect with these numbers 1 to 30, all these are very easy. The first two things, 30 to 50 and 50 to 80, these two are similar. I mean the trick is similar, and 80 to 100, this is a little bit different. So we will see one by one. Before that, let's revise this quickly. Squares of the numbers between 1 to 30. I will write them here. For 1 it is 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81, and 10 it is 100, right? Now 11, 121, 12, 144, 13, 169, 14, 196, 15, 225, 16, 256, 17, 289, 18, 324, 19, 361, and 20, 400, right? Next 21, 441, 22, 484, 23, 529, 576, 25, 625, 26, 676, 27, 729, 28, 784, 29, 841, and 30 it is 900. So for the last column there is a relation. If you see 25, the numbers above 25 and below 25 are similar. 76, 76, 29, 29, 84, 84, 41, 41, 44, 55, 66, 77, 8. So in this way you can remember. So if this is clear, let us start our lecture. I will minimize this. Resize. Right. So first we will see the numbers between 50 to 80. 50 to 80. So generally, whatever be the thing between 1 to 100, the maximum possible square will be having 4 digits, right? 4 digits. This is clear. Now we will find the last 2 digits and the first 2 digits separately. So the process is like, let me explain you with an example. Let me take 56. So the first step is we need to find by how much the number is greater than 50. 56 is greater than 50 by 6. So the first step is by how much the number is greater than 50. That is 6. Now we need to square this. 6 square is 36, right? That will be the last two digits. Very simple. So 6 square is 36. That will be the last two digits. And while coming to the first two digits, you need to add this number 6 to 25. 25 is like standard number. So I will write it here. So second step is 25 plus 6, which is 31. So 3136. Done, right? Very easy. Now let me take another example. Let us say 58. So 58 is greater than 50 by 8. So 8 square is 64. So there are 4 numbers. The least number is 64. And the MSP will be 25 plus 8, which is 33. 33. Right. Let me take another number. Let us say 59. So 59 is greater than 50 by 9. So 9 9 is 81. And 25 plus 9 is 34. 3481. Great. Now another example is, let me take 64. Right. So 4 numbers. 64 is greater than 50 by 14. And 14 square is 196. So 96 I will write here and 1 I will take as a carry. Next, 25 plus 14 is 39. 39 plus 1, this carry is 40. So 4096. So whenever there is a carry, you need to add it here. Another example is, let me take 70 something, 73. Yeah. It is greater than 50 by 23. And 23 square is 529. So the carry is 5, you need to write 29 here. And 25 plus 23 is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. 5329. Right? So it is as simple as that. Now let me write a generic formula here. So generic formula is like 2, 3, 4. This last two numbers you will get by, this is number minus 50 whole square. This is what is LSP. And MSP you will get by 25 plus, if this quantity is x, plus x, plus if there is some carry from here, that carry. So this is the formula for numbers between 50 to 80. In the similar way, let us see the trick for the numbers between 30 to 50. It is almost similar but a small change. 30 to 50. So as expected, there will be 4 numbers. The LSP portion, here you have checked by what amount the number is greater than 50. Here you should check by what amount the number is less than 50. That's it. So let us say the number is 43. It is less than 50 by 7, right? So the LSB will be 7 square, that is 49. And here you added that number with 25. Here you should subtract the number from 25. That is the difference. So that is 25 minus 7, which is 18. So 1849. This is for 43. Similarly, let us see another examples. Let me take a number 38. 38 is less than 50 by 12. 12 12 is 144. So I will write 44 here and 1 is the carry. So 12 is the number, that is 50 minus 38, that is 12. Now 25 minus 12 is 13 and we are having a carry here, that is 1. So 13 plus 1 is 14. 1444. Great. So let us find for 39 similarly. 50 minus 39 is 11. 11 11 is 121. So 21 I will write here, 1 is the carry. And 25 minus 11 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 1521. Right? So let me take another example here. Let us say 47. 47 is less than 50 by 3. 3 3 is 9. 0 9. And 25 minus 3 is 22. 2 2 0 9. Right? Great. Now I will write the generic formula for numbers between 30 to 50. Copy and paste. So what are the changes here? Instead of number minus 50, you need to do 50 minus number, right? Next, instead of 25 plus x, you need to do 25 minus x. If this number is x. And if there is any carry, you need to still add it, not subtract. Remember that. So this is for 30 to 50. Now you guys know the squares from 1 to 80. The only thing that is remaining is 80 to 100 and it is very simple. The third one is 80 to 100. So in these two cases, you took the 50 as reference, right? You basically found out the difference from 50. Here you will take 100 as reference. You will find out the difference from 100. Let me take an example. Let us say 93. So 93 is differed by 7 from 100, right? 100 minus 93 is 7. And there will be 4 numbers, 4 digits. The last 2 digits are 7 square, that is 49. And the only change here is, instead of subtracting or adding from 25, here we will directly subtract from the number itself, that is 93. So instead of 25, directly subtract from number. So this is the catch. 93 minus 7 is 86. 8649. Now let me take another example. Let us say 97. 4 digits. It is differed from 100 by 3. So 3 3 is a 9. 0 9. 97 minus 3 is 94. 9409. Simple, right? Let me take some more examples. And we will write a generic formula. 87. 100 minus 87 is 13. 13 13 is 169. So 69 here, 1 is the carry. And 87 minus 13 is 74. 74 plus 1 is 75. 75. Because there is a carry here, we need to add. This is same for everything. We need to add the carry. Right? So I think this is also clear now. We will write a generic formula. So let me copy this. And paste it here. You're right. So what are the changes here? Instead of comparing from 50, you need to take 100 as reference. So 100 minus that number. And here, instead of subtracting from 25, you need to subtract from the number itself. That is number. Number minus x plus carry. Yeah, that's it. So these are the 3 things you need to remember. Let me erase all these things. And I will keep them in order. So you can take a screenshot or something like that. First one, second one, and third one. First case, second case, and third case. Now let us solve one problem in each of the thing. So at the end it will be very much clear. So here let us take a number 56 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 56 belongs to this number, right? I mean this range. So number minus 50, that is 6. 6 square is 36. And 25 plus 6 is 31. Done. Similarly, here let me take 44. 50 minus 44 is 6. 6 square is 36. 25 minus 6 is 19. Done. And here, let me take 94. 100 minus 94 is 6. 6 square is 36. And 94 minus 6 is 88. Done. See, this is very simple. Yeah, that's it guys. See you with next trick. Take care. Bye bye.